Kennedy Jones don't rap. You know those times, just get inspired. You hear some hotness like this Gramatik instrumental. You just want to drop some truth. Well, here it is. Gramatik. Kennedy Jones. Grammatically, I can speak emphatically about the modern tragedy. Yo, when I tell the truth, they get mad at me. Empty-handedly, they couldn't stand to be a family. Watch them all switch sides like I was watching Kennedy. This ain't no fake news, no nothing's trumping Kennedy. I keep my hands strong while I'm replenishing the synergy. I've been in Venice Beach, and knew it better speech. I try to raise the people in the streets and get them off the leash. These days it's all retweets and likes, Twitter favorites and lights flashing when you walking by. What questions you asking when you wanna vibe? Is it about the people or the feeling inside when your phone jive? Blowing up cause you just post some fire, know enough to see through the lies opposed by the hype. If I'm ever buying the mic, I'm ripping into puzzle pieces when completed would spell out the word truth by design. And by the time you hit rewind over 1,000 times, trying to decipher my last line, over 1,000 minds have done the same. The Hunger Games, the lyrics, I'll be winning it. Taking over districts, my appetite is infinite. I just post a preview of this track up on the internet. Within 2 minutes, phones going off, but I ain't finished.
Würde ich gerne mal mit der Schwalbe fahren. Ja. Alter Schwede, ey.
Everybody wanna shine